Question 1. What is the main function of a hydraulic pressure regulator? To control fluid flow. B. To limit pump pressure. C. To regulate fluid temperature. Justification: regulator ensures pressure stays within safe limits by relieving excess pressure. Question 2. Why is a cutout valve used in a hydraulic system? To prevent fluid loss. B. To prevent jack creep. C. To unload the pump. Justification: the cutout relieves the pump from continuous load. Question 3. In a single-acting jack with fluid applied on both sides, what happens? A. Ram move toward side. B. Move away from side. C. Hydraulic lock. Justification: the ram side has less surface area, so pressure imbalance causes movement toward that ram. Question 4. How does jack force compare between 4 SQN and 2 SQN pistons? A. Forces are equal. B. Jack applies double the force. C. Jack applies half the force. Justification: doubling the area doubles the force at the same pressure. Question 5. What force is produced by 100 psi on 4 square in pistons? A. 4-inch jack equals 25 pounds. B. Forces are equal. C. 4-inch jack equals 400 pounds. Justification: force equals pressure multiplied by area. Question 6. How can hydraulic pressure be restored? A. Use a heat exchanger. B. Compress air in the accumulator. C. Compress fluid in the reservoir. Justification: accumulators store energy by compressing a gas. Question 7. What is the role of an accumulator? A. Remove air from fluid. B. Relieve excess pressure. C. Store pressurized fluid. Justification: accumulators store hydraulic energy by holding pressurized fluid. Question 8. What happens if accumulator air pressure is too low? A. Pressure fluctuates. B. Jacks move rapidly. C. Pressure builds up slowly. Justification: low precharge leads to insufficient pressure damping. Question 9. When checking an accumulator's precharge air pressure, the system should be A. Normal working pressure. B. Depressurized. C. Pressure level doesn't matter. Justification: all hydraulic pressure must be released to avoid incorrect readings. Question 10. If an accumulator is charged with 1500 psi and precharge is 1000 psi, the gauge reads A. 2500 psi. B. 1000 psi. C. 1500 psi. Justification: the gauge reads system pressure, not the sum.